just got off 53628, which is a Volvo B9R Claxton Panther 2, and we're now waiting for a Scania, yes, you heard me right, a Scania Enviro 300, which is numbered 28602. Yes, and that's going to take me on the 82 to Thurso. This bus is on loan from Inverness, while 27812 is in the repairs, or having repairs, or something like that. But as they need two Enviros for the runs, they've got a Scania bus in from Inverness, which is a rather heavy vehicle. It's going to sound good. I heard it earlier, it was just like making Scania noises as it left the high school. So let's head up there and, well, get on board when it arrives. See ya. See ya. And now you join me in Falkirk. I didn't do a front camera section in Thurso simply because I was taking photos of the bus. Photos come before front camera, I'm very sorry. Anyway, you join me under the very picturesque town hall here in Falkirk. We've got about an hour or so here before the bus comes back, and then I'm going to go up to Thurso, then come back all the way to Wick and do another full run on 28602. Alright, I hope you're enjoying the video so far. I just thought I'd point this out. I'm just sitting in the bus stop and I've just been, well, passing the time and reading these boards up here. If I just show you them, it's timetable for this exact stop, but I don't know if you can see that. It's displayed June 2017, which is like, let me think, 6-7 years ago? Quite a while ago. And the timetable has actually changed a lot since then. They were well, it was the same timetable in 2018 and it was the same timetable in 2019, and then it changed for the 2020 pandemic, and it was a new timetable after that in September 2021, and only recently they've had a timetable change since then that has added more services and improved the service network. So if you didn't actually know like what time the bus was coming, you looked at this and you were just like 82 to Wick Saturday. The next one you would think is 14:39. Well, it's currently 14:39, and well, there's no sign of a bus. So yeah, dated 2017, not really the best. I think they should update that. And well, as well, these things here, these boards here, they've not put anything new in there. As you can see, it's, well, this is from 2018, the May Highland and Cultural Games. Also a thing under that from 2017 as well. So yeah, they really need to update it. And I've been looking on that side, and that one's even older. It's 2016, and it's different again. So as I say, they need to improve them. Anyway, I'm waiting for my bus now. I do know what time it's due. It's 14:55. It's due here, but it's running a few minutes late. Well, it isn't running a few minutes late, but it probably will be running a few minutes late by the time it gets here. So yeah, let's wait for that, and I'll see you on board. Yeah. Garnished. Anyway. In Wick, after a lovely day out on 28602, a Scania Enviro 300 on loan to Thurso Depot. And also, I'm back in the same place where I started the video. There's one big difference though. There's not as much water in the river, and the sun's moved into an awkward spot, which makes the video look terrible. In fact, if I spin around this way, that's a bit better. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. I will see you on the next one. So, yeah, I guess. Bye.